there are certain placements that I do not like it being run in Facebook, like audience network. So how can you turn it off for the whole ad account? So instead of going like each campaign setup, you one by one to turn off, right? So you can do this across the whole ad account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can limit the placement to this kind of places in your ads manager. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can limit the placement for your ads manager. Let's go. First of all, open up your ads manager. So there's certain placement that you do not want to keep seeing. All right. For example, when you create any campaign, all right, and then you go to the ad set. So you just go to any edit, whatever it is. So you edit the placement controls. So you can see that sometimes you do not want them to go to, for example, like audience network, or you do not want to go to like different marketplace, all these things. You can limit this in all your ad accounts. So for this, you can manually set up this way, where you can just go to the ad set and just choose which one that you want to exclude from here, all right? Or you can just exclude it the ad account level. So where do you do this? So I'm just going to close this first. Okay, you go to advertising settings, click on that, and then you can see a placement controls. Click on this. So this control exclude placement across all campaign for this ad account. So the moment you have this placement control, they will exclude this placement. So this is to avoid any performance loss, only exclude placement when required for a business. If you want, you can read more about placements here. I can put the link in the description box so you can just have a look. All right. So you want to learn more about this, you can do this here. Okay, if not, I just want it to advertise on specific placement. So just click tick. I do not want it to be in audience network at all. For me, I don't think it works, especially for lead gen. So I'm just gonna turn it off. All right, feed, you might want it, you might not want it. For me, generally, I don't want it because right column is only for desktop. It's not really useful. Marketplace, when they're shopping, they don't want to see your ads unless you're doing e-commerce ads maybe, but for lead gen, I don't need to. I just turn off, and then I'll just have to review changes. And then this control apply to all campaigns to this ad account, so you won't see it happening in audience network or in marketplace or in right column. Just confirm, and that's it. All right, so it's defined, so you can click there and see again. Okay, now why do you want to do this? You want to do this because you don't, again, like I mentioned, some placement, it does not work well for certain campaigns. So that's the reason why we exclude them. Why don't we have more options to exclude? Well, Facebook wants to make more money, right? Meta want to make more money, so definitely they want you to advertise on their other placement as well. So they are able to, for us to exclude audience network, I think is already very good enough. So yeah, so this is how you can limit your placement control for your Facebook ad account. So when you do this, it will implement the ad account wide. So the whole ad account, you won't be able to advertise to these kind of platforms. So do this when you are very sure on what you are running. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.